Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. After the lawsuit settles with the SEC, XRP will be the sole regulated cryptocurrency asset in the US, which will attract institutional investors and drive up its volume. In a recent chat regarding the Ripple vs. SEC legal battle, attorney Morgan argues that XRP cannot be considered a security. Furthermore, XRP's tokenomics are a shoot-can-fight metaphor. In conclusion, folks, the financial experts predicted that XRP would drop to 38 cents before putting on a tremendous rebound that would send it rocketing to 65 cents. Stay with me until the SEC vs. Ripple case is resolved to find out more. Director at Digital Ascension Group and CEO of Beyond Broke LLC, Jay Claver, predicts XRP will be the sole digital asset regulated in the United States. According to Claver, this will set XRP apart, leading to greater institutional interest and higher trading volumes. This optimistic realization is discussed by Claver and staff member Jara in the most recent episode of the Capitalist YouTube series, The Black Swan. In my opinion, the case resolved a number of problems. Assume it ends before any legislation is filed in Congress that might affect these assets. According to Claver, only XRP will have transparency. He underlined it much more than that. When all else is unknown and a label is applied to that person. What action are these banks planning to take? They are prepared to give up all else in order to focus on this. How does the volume transfer to the exchange affect the secondary market price? Claver stresses that the SEC's decision, contrary to popular belief, may really have several benefits for XRP. He called attention to the fact that the community is worrying solely about the disadvantages of the case and not its possible benefits. Recent statements from Claver lend credence to the view of a handful of industry titans who believe the SEC case might significantly impact XRP's future. Ben Armstrong, better known by his stage moniker Bid Boy, pointed out that XRP is the only digital asset that has been tried and is classed as a non-security. As Bitcoin pointed out last month, assets labeled as non-securities, such as Bitcoin, have never been placed on trial. The crypto influencer predicted that due to XRP's special position in the market, its price would skyrocket during the forthcoming bull run. If Claver is correct and XRP is classified as a security, what will happen to it? Though I really doubt things will develop that way. Consider the repercussions of classifying XRP Ultimate as a security algebra. In a recent interview, a capitalist known as Black Swan, if the asset is considered a security, as Claver suggested, financial institutions that facilitate XRP trades would need a broker-dealer license to do so. He also mentioned the taxing strategy as one of the major influences. Uncertainty about the tax consequences has made many wary of holding or using it. Can it be used as currency? What category does it fall into? In his opinion, according to Claver, if XRP were classified as a security, it would be more difficult for it to be traded on as many exchanges. He seemed nervous. Since Uphold already has a securities license, they are unconcerned about the asset being classified as a security, which would make trading it on the exchange more difficult. Despite the SEC's legal action, XRP has decided to maintain its US offices. In contrast to the exchange, platforms like Coinbase do not hold a securities license. Clever people believe that in order for these platforms to trade XRP, they will need to apply for a securities license from the SEC. If you want to be among the first to know about any developments, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Australian business litigation specialist and prominent lawyer Bill Morgan has raised a major objection to XRP being classified as a security. Yesterday, attorney Morgan tweeted that if District Judge Annalisa Torres rules that Ripple's XRP sales to clients with undermanned liquidity are not investment contracts, it will be evident that XRP itself is not a security. Morgan argues that purchases to ODO customers are not investments since buyers have no right to demand a return and sellers have no obligation to provide so. This would prove, beyond a reasonable doubt, that XRP is not a security. The statements were made in response to a Twitter conversation initiated by C-Beginning CEO Jesse Hines, who is a supporter of the XRP cryptocurrency. According to Hines's prediction, Ripple will be in violation of U.S. securities regulations because of its early XRP sales. He went on to suggest that the court would also determine that the blockchain company is no longer infringing these securities restrictions because of its new approach to selling XRP. Since the SEC litigation began, for context, Ripple has exclusively sold XRP to audio customers. According to Hines, whether or not Judge Torres would classify XRP as a security is the biggest worry. He cited the SEC's new statements that are intended to pressure the judge into classifying XRP as a security. Hines speculated that if Judge Torres were to rule on the legal status of cryptocurrencies, she would conclude that XRP, the sixth largest cryptocurrency by market cap, is not an investment contract. In light of this new turn of events, Morgan argued that Hines's research demonstrates how a cryptocurrency might lose its security status and become a commodity instead. Morgan argues that it needs to better reflect economic reality, technological advancements, the legislation, and its legal position in other jurisdictions. As was previously reported, Morgan reiterated his position that XRP cannot be considered a security because of Ripple's decision to shift away from programmatic and institutional sales of XRP and instead focus on sales to OBL clients. According to Morgan, XRP sales to audio customers do not qualify as investment contracts since they do not satisfy any of the Howey test conditions. Therefore, XRP is not a security in any sense. Kaiser tweeted on May 23 that XRP is illegal in El Salvador because of the country's cryptocurrency laws. The term is used to describe a virtual money that is not taken seriously. It is often used to describe cryptocurrencies whose creators, developers, or motivations raise suspicion. Kaiser's latest remarks are a response to a statement made by David Schwartz, CTO of Ripple, on the SEC's stance on Bitcoin assets. If the SEC takes the position that all tokens other than Bitcoin are securities, then it is unclear if U.S. people may legally engage in the rest of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Schwartz emphasized that this prompted a response from Kaiser. In a tweet, he said that, other from Bitcoin, all other cryptocurrencies are treated as securities in El Salvador. He continued, the XRP community has reacted negatively to the recent claims that XRP is included on the list of cryptocurrency assets that are categorized as securities in El Salvador. Kaiser expressed disappointment with the reaction he received from XRP advocates who disagreed with his characterization of XRP as a security. Despite referencing Schwartz's comments, it's worth noting that Kaiser, a Bitcoin advisor to the El Salvadorian government, is an outspoken critic of XRP and other cryptocurrencies. However, in recent months, Kaiser has devoted more attention to XRP. Last week, he said that SEC Chairman Gary Gensler was right when he said that all cryptocurrencies save Bitcoin are securities. He defended the Commission's authority to take legal action against Ripple for securities violations. The burning question of the day is whether or not right now is a good time to invest in XRP. Analysts have been paying close attention to XRP as of late, with Matthew Dixon, CEO of AI-powered crypto grading site Psi, being the most recent financial expert to anticipate the asset's future trajectory. According to Dixon, the asset's value will soon reach 65 cents. Dixon pointed out that XRP has continued to grow along the predicted trajectory, eliminating the need to update his previous graphic and provide a follow-up analysis that deepens his initial findings. Using information from a 4-hour XRP chart, the financial expert forecast that the price of XRP would initially rise to the 49 cents price range to complete what he refers to as Wave X. After that, a severe drop in XRP's value is expected, which may take it to as low as 38 cents in the following month. If this happens, the end of the wave has come. Dixon does note that the asset is poised to go and engineer a rebound from this point. He foresaw XRP's recovery and subsequent rise to roughly 65 cents. This zone was last handled by the asset in May of 2022. There would be a 71% hike if the price went from 38 cents to 65 cents. Dixon thinks the drop in XRP's price to around 38 cents presents a compelling opportunity for investors to buy more shares. There should be excellent potential returns for the amount of risk taken. It's a thrilling time to put money into Bitcoin again. A prominent cryptocurrency expert, who goes by the name Eat Rake, has predicted that the price of XRP will rise to the 60-cent area as it continues to rise in value. Greg predicted in his prior analysis that the asset may increase to 67 cents if it managed to close above a miniature declining channel he discovered on the daily time frame. XRP continues to trade at a price above 46 cents. Up 79% from its low, the asset is trading at 46 cents now. Recently, throughout the past 7 days, Ripple's price has risen 7.63%. So, ladies and gentlemen, the video is over. If you liked the video, please click the like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell. In my experience, this has a positive impact on YouTube's algorithm. If you've been enlightened by this video, please share it with as many people as possible so others can benefit. Okay, fellas, let's get the word out. Check out all of our products. If Bitcoin is something you're really into, please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.